How to control who can see profile picture in WhatsApp. First, open the WhatsApp app and tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner if you're using Android. Tap Settings in the bottom right corner. Next, tap Privacy. Then select Profile Photo. You'll now see 4 privacy options: Everyone, My Contacts Except, and Nobody. Choose Everyone if you want anyone with your phone number to see your profile picture. Select My Contacts to share it only with people saved in your contacts. Or if you don't want anyone to see your profile picture, simply choose Nobody. Once you've selected your preferred option, WhatsApp will save your changes automatically. That's it. You've successfully changed your WhatsApp profile picture privacy settings. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more WhatsApp tips, privacy guides, and easy tech tutorials.